Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. I want you to know that you are a warrior, not a warrior, like worrying about things you cannot change. Be the best light of yourself that you can be always. Let us go get ready with me today. I am going to do a full face of makeup and we will start with the eyeshadow first. I will start with my Plain in Makeup by Yolanda eye base. It is almost empty, that's why I had to shake it. So I'm basing my eyes. I have this Amazon brush. I'm just going to use it. Today I'm going to set my base. I'm taking my Clinique and it is the Nutmeg 20. And I'll set my base. I usually don't set my base, but I'm setting it today. Something different. Just face powder to set it. You can use any face powder or powder foundation. I set it. I'm going to use my Glam Light Hershey's Kisses palette. This shade right here I'm going to use. If my background changes back and forth, it's because glass door is open. So I'm going to take this one color and put all over my eyes. It's going to be a simple get ready with me. Warrior means to be courageous and persistent, whether in literal combat or metaphorical battles like fighting for a cause. It involves a combination of physical and mental strength, including a willingness to fight for what is right, protect others, and live with integrity and honor. A warrior possesses a high degree of courage, vigor, or mental and physical strength. I'm going to use my Uma Beauty. It is right here. I shake. Whereas warrior is a person who tends to feel anxious or troubled about actual or potential problems. So I'm asking you today to be a warrior, not a worrier. I always do this step backwards. You're supposed to put it first, but most of the time I'm putting it after. It's my corrector by Milani in Nectar. My Uma foundation, the shade is missing. I think it was T3. Now I put this corrector on top of the foundation. It works for me both ways. Too Faced Born This Way Chai Concealer. I always shake it first and I put it under my eyes because I have dark spots. Same brush that I use for putting on my eyeshadow base, I'm using that. And I also use it to shape my eyeshadow like this. This one is not shaped, but this one I'm shaping it right now as I'm fixing my concealer under my eyes. And I just tap until it spreads everywhere I need it to. According to your eye shape, your shaping of your eyeshadow will look different. Before I set my face with powder, I take a sponge and I take off excess. So when I set it with the powder, it will not look cakey. I also go back under my eye with the sponge. Now I'm ready to set. For setting my face, I'm going back into my Clinique powder, pressed powder, and I'm going to take one of these little puffs. I'm using the same powder to also set under my eyes because I don't want it too bright, but I want it to have a little bit of light. And after I do that, I will go in with a loose setting powder and give it a little brightness. But that is how I do it first with the face powder or a powder foundation. I'll put it over my liquid foundation. I have my MAC bronzer. I'm going to take it and bronze my forehead. And also on my cheeks. I use my Morphe palette. That's in deep. And I contour right under the cheekbone. Taking a small brush, I'm going back into my MAC bronzer and I'm going to bronze from here into my brows. Now I'll do the second one. I have Mented blush and it is called Buried Away. I'm trying this new eyeliner. It's a multi-chrome eyeliner from my ice cream box in October. Now I'm using my Huda setting powder in Peach Pie. Same puff. Now I have an e.l.f. lip liner and I'm going to use that to line my lips. I have a big brush and I'm just going to brush all the powder that I put on. One color eyeshadow on hooded eyes. Complete get ready with me. Let me know what you think in the comment about this get ready with me and share something with me in the comments about you. Always remember you are a warrior, not a warrior. There is a difference. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not dim your light for another. Do not give up on yourself. You are an important person in this universe. God created you for a reason. Whatever that reason is, He knows and you know. Don't let someone else put you down. Do not let people disrespect you. Do not let people manipulate you or your feelings. Know when it is right to step away. Until I see you and you see me, be the warrior that you were created to be. Be the warrior and know that your steps are ordered by God. Bye. Today's look again.